Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe, aka Aunt Sandy, aka _24. Anyways, today we're going to be looking at the new Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions palettes. I just want to. She came out with 3. Let's do some little swatches. And we'll do some looks. So if you want to see how to get some little inspo for the palettes and check them out, stay tuned. First of all, what do you guys think about the new setup? Trying new things. Hopefully it's a little less echoey in here, but anywho. I shouldn't have worn a sweater to do swatches. So this is the Light Nude Obsessions little palette. So this is the first one, the light, or maybe it's the last one, I don't know. These are the swatches. This country. I want to focus, hello. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of light, it's pretty girly, but it's pigmented enough to show up. The color story is complete enough to do a whole look, so I like that. But I still think you can rock out some like cute little looks with this. If you want to be like, you know, innocent, lovely, pink, girly, this might be your girl or boy. Next up, we have the Nude Medium. This one's more like sexy, you know. You can get some nice warmth in here. Damn, this is nice. So here are the swatches for the medium nude one. Grown and sexy, little deeper. Again, good on all skin tones, I would say. Feeling this. You know what? I feel like you just get all of them, put them together, and you got a whole palette, you know? I would use both of these at the same time, and they're small enough. I just like these, you know, and I like that there's some nudes. I haven't even opened these yet. I'm just opening them for you guys. So this is the Nude Rich Money. That's what she looks like. They're all quite warm and purpley, you know what I mean? So these are the swatches for the Nude Rich. I mean, I feel like the color stories, the light's like cute and girly. Medium one is, you know, grown and sexy, and this one's just straight up horny. I like that, I like that, I like that, I like that. So let's do a little looky look. I think in terms of like eyeshadow, it's pretty consistent with Huda. You can always expect some nice things. They are somewhat similar, some of them, but I feel like all of them together kind of make a really dope little palette. So I'm just gonna use all of them, why not? Yeah, let's get into it. Usually I do, maybe we'll do 2 looks. I'll see, just whatever happens, happens, okay? I also like that these kind of have like a mixture of matte and shimmeries. They all seem to have about 4 shimmers and 5 mattes, because there's 9, so the only other option would be 5. Anyways, moving on. It's very light. What is going on? I don't understand. Okay, so let's do some... I don't like to wear pink. Let's start with the horny one, the rich. Take a Morphe M521 brush, as always. I'm gonna go into this guy. Let's just fluff it in our crease here. It's a cooler tone than what I would usually do, so we're trying different things today. I never do dark, cool tone purples, so I'm just gonna like see what happens and do that today. This one here. I just never really liked purples like that on me, but let's give it a go. Whatever, she's this big ass brush. Morphe E14. Sometimes when I use a color, I don't use a ton. I like really get on the struggle bus with bringing myself to use it. See what happens. I'm just gonna wiggle it on and then I'm already committed. See, because they always go like gray on me, you know? Just like rolling it over on top of my eyeball. See what happens, you know? I mean, it looks gray. Maybe it's like matching my shirt and also my whole background. Just rolling it on top of my eyelid. I don't know what I'm gonna do in my center or anything quite yet, but I'm just gonna like try and like see what vibe I'm getting right now and go for it. Maybe we'll like hook this in and be like a scary little bitch today. Oh, she's moody. Okay, well, yeah, this looks like my sweater color. But you know, it's blending nice. Alrighty, well, we did that. And now, let's just go in with this. I don't really use colors like this either. Fill in that empty space. Maybe do a little line, make it a little freaky. Is it weird? Yeah, but so am I. Yeah, this looks like my sweater color. Use the same color, I'm gonna go underneath. All using the same brush we just found. Oh, maybe we could do opposites and do a dark line underneath this one. Yeah, soften the edges here too. So we did the light line here. Bloop, 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 bloop. And then let's take a little bit of that dark. Hopefully it's even, and if not, it's not. Why don't we take that color and a stiffer brush? I don't trust that one, it wasn't clean. You know what? Just shape around here so it's nice and smooth. Let's do some shimmeries. So I'm gonna go into this cute fella right here. I'm gonna do some sparklies. Maybe we'll put some here. Sometimes you just have to wing it, just keep building on it, and then just walk out like you're the baddest ever because you meant it, you know what I mean? Hope it's cute. So I'm gonna do a little mascara. For all three looks, I'm gonna use the same mascara and lashes just so you know we're not doing the most, switching it up 100 times. And this is the Hank and Her Slick With It Clout Mascara. I'll wait before I go super intense on my lashes till the last look so I don't beat my eyes up trying to take this off because it lasts a long time. Cool. And the lashes I'm gonna use are the Nude Dragon, what? Oh, here they are, because I just got them. Ha. Dragon Lee Mini. These are mini and they're gigantic. So keep that in mind. And you can use coupon code Sondra for a discount. I think the discount's like 30% or something tight like that. So they generous. I use weave glue, don't at me, since I was 15. No, I didn't start wearing lashes when I was 15, maybe 17, 16. 17, 18, doesn't matter. I'm 30 now. This will be the only look I'm showing putting lashes, just so the video is not too repetitive. We'll put these at the very outer parts of my eye to elongate. I'll just like zigzag them in and hope for the best. Ooh, she's grungy fall ready. I created this at the Bite Lip Lab, so I think I'm gonna use this. I'll write the recipe for it if you go to a Bite Lip Lab. You can get you one too. Tight. Let me take this headband off and like do the most. All right, so gonna go in with the second palette. Okay, so let's get a little bit into, let's do Nude Medium or Grown and Sexy palette, as I've affectionately named it. I shouldn't have worn gray for all these like warm colors. Yeah, this looks like my sweater color, but that's okay. We're gonna turn it out still. Last one was kind of matte, so you know what? Let's make this one shimmery. MAC 244 OG. Let's start with this one here. And I always just start with my crease. Well, I guess not today. I'm going on my lid. Never mind. I'm always pretty light-handed with eyeshadow. I know you could turn it out to make it very full coverage and all that good stuff, but I'm just gonna roll this all over the lid, make it nice and fluffy. So I just always start where I want the most product and then wiggle it all the way up to oblivions. Let's add some body. I'm gonna go into this purple. I'm just gonna do that on the outer V. Not really adding shape. This is like a transition for what I'm about to do right quick. I'm gonna take this Morphe M166 and I'll use that to put the shape in with this guy. Same color, but now we're using a stiffer brush, so it's gonna be more pigmented. I'm just kind of tapping it on. That's why we put it down first with the blendy brush, so you can just kind of like flick it around and it'll blend in, easy peasy. Now, I'm gonna use the same brush because it kind of has like a tip. And why don't we just, wait, will that work? No, it's not stiff enough. I'm gonna take this little Smith brush and let's, yeah, we'll do a little wing starting from the bottom of my lash line. And I'm gonna just like pretend it's a liner, why not? Maybe I'll make it a little thicker because I'm finna put eyelashes on and those lashes are freaking huge. So it's like we're making a little gold eyeliner thing, you know? Pull it all the way out. It's like a light color, so. I didn't even show you which one. I don't think it's this one. My bad. All right, I guess we're putting that one in the inner corner too because that's pretty much the lightest of the shimmeries in there. But if you're just like, you know, getting all of them, I might put a little bit of the light one in there just to brighten it up a little bit more. Or whatever you're wearing as a highlighter, you can put it in there. Customize as you wish. Let's put some of this one, why not? I don't know. This was supposed to be more of a shimmer eye, but guess what? I went right for the mattes, just like always. Cool. Let me just put on some lashes right quick. Now that the lash is on, you can't even see that gold, so I think we should make it a little bit more thick. What do you guys think? I agree. All right, let me take off my headband, do the most, and then let's get ready for the light palette. It's like super late and a bitch tired. But guess what? We're doing look 3, which is the nude light. Let's do the lightest one. Like, also spice it up. Right here. Right here. Is that too light? T, I'm so excited for this. Ah! Can I hug you? So then you just, well, next, I don't know, we already did matte, and I said I wasn't gonna just wipe it off, pretend it, no, it's staying on, it's good stuff, okay. Never mind, leaving it, okay? What should we do? Okay, I'm so tired. Just gonna put it in my inner corners. And instead of touching up my concealer, guess what? I'm just gonna put eyeshadow on there. I'm just gonna put eyeshadow under there. That's a nice color. Now what to do? When I'm tired, I'm just like, I don't know what to do right now. Let's take a little of this feller. Just kind of wiggling it above my crease. This is just a brush from like an Anastasia palette. Oh, that's kind of cool, I guess. I mean, you can even stop here, but I just feel like because I already said I'm tired, you guys are gonna hella judge me because I'm stopping here, even though I think it's a lick. Maybe it's not, I don't know. Maybe we'll just like hook it in there and, you know, maybe we'll just go in with the light again and just cut that crease a little bit. I'm so tired. I woke up really early and I tried to seize the day. And now the day is seizing me because I tried to stay up hella late and just cure my tiredness with Red Bull. Look at the mascara under my eyes. What a mess. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a little of this on the outer part. Like that. With the inner purple. Corner color purple. Looks like the first look a little bit, but light. Oh, this might be cool. Why don't we take some of this one and just fluff it on the outer part of that? Why not? All right, let me take off my headband and do the most. Alright, friends and family, so that completes our video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Tell me what you think about the sound, the lighting, anything else. If you liked this video, if you finna cop any of these palettes or all of them. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry I got so freaking tired at the end, but we made it through. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself, stay pretty. See you guys in the next video. Love you, bye.